Oh, there it is. Oh my god. Oh god.
Want to join me on my expeditions around the world? Come with me to taste the foods, experience the cultures, see the sights, learn to travel fast, and make the most of your trip on a dime. By the way, my name is Adam, but you can call me the Globe-Trotting Extraordinaire! Hey guys, welcome to this episode of the Globe-Trotting Extraordinaire Unboxing Edition. This is the Yum Yum box from Universal Yums, their mid-tier package. This month is Egypt, and I am super stoked about this box because I was just recently in Egypt last year. Fantastic country, wonderful sights and wonderful views. Definitely going to see what they have in store for us in this box. Let's take a look. So of course we have the scorecard here, welcome to Egypt, with the rejects and vote on your upcoming box, as usual every month, on top of the Off to Egypt pamphlet. Let's see, so we got Explore Egypt, Egypt in 60 seconds, we got a couple more Egyptian recipes to try out if you want, seems pretty interesting. More trivia challenge, and then of course they start here with all your different treats, and of course most of these treats are in Arabic, so obviously I'm not going to read them out individually and then try them out. I'm just going to wing it just like last month for Thailand's box. Nutritional facts, those little escape the pyramid games, day in the life of Egypt with another recipe that sounds pretty good, and then the Yum Yum shop in the back of the pamphlet. Okay, let's get started. So start here, we're going to do the chocolate wave hazelnut. It's a chocolate covered wafer with hazelnut cream. Usually I dive through this box ahead of time, but I did not this time. So, of course it's right at the bottom. Alrighty, the chocolate wave hazelnut. Pretty good. You can really taste the hazelnut in there and the chocolate. So I like hazelnut. So this food was really good. I really enjoyed that. Wow, it's good chocolate. Real good chocolate too. It's a little bit melted. Didn't quite last the trip all the way from New Jersey out to California with all the heat we've been having going on over here. Alright, so let's turn up the heat. We're going to do a tiger, chili, and lemon. It's a chili and lemon potato chip. So, fingers crossed, hopefully I won't die on this one like I did with Thailand last month. So we'll see how this goes. Chips. Oh. Yeah, it's hot. It's hot. It's really hot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. So, the lemon flavor is right there first. So you taste the lemon and you're like, oh, it's really subtle. It's going to be a fine chip. The chili doesn't come in until afterwards, and even then the heat slowly starts cranking up, and then all of a sudden it's like, it's it's hot. It's a really hot chip. Oh man, it's not as spicy as the chips from Thailand last month, but this is that's a hot chip. Holy. Okay, so we're gonna do the Spicy barbecue popcorn, Kono popcorn burning barbecue. Right here, burning barbecue. It has a chili pepper on it, so hopefully it's not super hot again. Because I really don't want to die. But we'll see. Not bad, I guess. Oh, okay, there it is. There it is. Oh, okay. Oh, there it is. There's really not a lot of flavor to this. Like, I was expecting more like a barbecue potato chip or taste like popcorn, but there's really not a lot of flavor. Then all of a sudden it's like heat. And I'm just like, what is this? What is this? Oh, there it is. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. We'll keep going. Maybe something a little bit cooler. All right. Oh my God. Salcalus wafer, Hollywa, and coffee. It is a wafer with sesame and coffee cream. Okay. No. Yes. Wafers, coffee cream. All right. Hopefully this will help cool me off a little bit. We'll see. Tastes like coffee in a wafer. It's a little different. I don't mind it. I don't enjoy it, but I definitely don't mind it. I mean, it's a little different than what I'm used to here, especially with the coffee flavor and the wafer. That's not what you traditionally see in the States. Alright, so next they want to do Duetto. It's a biscuit cookie with a date filling. Okay. Hopefully it's maybe like a Fig Newton. Hopefully. So we'll see. Okay. Emma. There we go. Tastes almost exactly like a Fig Newton, pretty much. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Alrighty, Corno Puffs Crazy Tomato. It's a tomato corn puff. Tomato corn puff. Two things you usually don't hear together. Tomato corn puff. Looks almost like a Cheeto. Wow. Okay, that's different. Tastes exactly like a tomato, but with corn puff texture and consistency. That's different. That's definitely different. That's different. That's definitely different. Again, not great, but definitely enjoyable, I would say. Alrighty, so we got the El Jamadan white chocolate covered wafer with cocoa cream. Okay. Another wafer candy. Check this out. Difficulty. right, here we go. I don't know how to describe it. Like, you taste the white chocolate, but then what's in it with the white chocolate, I can't describe it. It's really fascinating. It's very different. It's supposed to taste like cocoa cream, but I'm like, I don't taste any cocoa cream, and I don't know what that flavor is. It's something different. It's definitely sweet, but what exactly that sweet is, I'm not quite 100% sure. All right, Giro coconut bar, chocolate covered coconut bar. So essentially a Mounds bar. More Almond Joy. There we go. Okay. All right. It is almost like a chocolate covered marshmallow. It definitely has a marshmallow texture on the inside, but it's got coconut flavor to it, so it's actually pretty good. I actually like this. It's pretty good. I enjoy this. Wow. It's really good. Alrighty then. To now the Pretzel Original Butter and Herbs Butter and Herb Pretzels. Okay. Butter and herb pretzels. Okay, this box is getting a little bit better. Wow, this is actually really good. There's not a lot of herb flavor to it, which is great. You can really taste the butter with the pretzels. And it's this phenomenal. Yes. This is good right here. Wow. This I enjoy. That's great. Hopefully we can close out on a good note. We'll see. Alright, the cinnamon cookies. Cinnamon and butter cookies. Big box of these, okay. 12 pieces. There's 12 pieces in this box. Okay. One. And of course, just keep it on the edges. Oh. And then there's more wrapping even in it once you get into it. Alright, cinnamon butter cookie. Okay. Almost like a snickerdoodle cookie. A little bit less on the spices and the cinnamon. You can obviously taste the cinnamon in it and the butter flavoring, but it's almost like a snickerdoodle cookie, and you turn down the flavoring a little bit. It's still pretty good. I mean, that's a good cookie. That's a real good cookie. Man. Yeah. Spaghettius apple green. I can't speak today. Spaghettius apple gummy green apple strips. Okay, there's this thing right here. Okay. I'll just do that. Okay. Definitely has the consistency almost like a gummy bear. Real strong green apple flavoring in there. I'm not a huge fan of the green apple flavor. Like when Skittles changed the lime to green apple, I was heartbroken a little bit just because I'm more of a lime flavor than an apple flavor guy. Sorry. But definitely strong on the green apple flavor though, but it's not bad. It's a really good piece of candy. That's really, really good. Alrighty, last but not least, Kono Corn Cone Mind-Blowing Pizza. It's a pizza corn snack. Mind-blowing pizza. The chips. Okay, take a look. That's really interesting. Wow. It tastes like pizza flavoring, but it's like really, really strong, like olive flavor. It's almost like an olive pizza. It's what I'm tasting. Yeah. I think it's a real strong olive flavor that gives it that pizza taste, which is not bad. Definitely not bad. And with that, that's it from this box. This is the Yum Yum box from Universal Yums, their mid-tier package. The month of August was the Egypt box, which had a great assortment of snacks. Until next month, see what we can get. Thanks again from the Go Product Store and Air. See ya, guys.